Okay, this is a pool we did in Bingham Farms, and this here is antique blend travertine coping, and this is the flooring, matching flooring material. Comes in what they call a French pattern, and this pool used to be just cement with some indoor-outdoor carpet. We're just finishing up some sanding today. That orange strip you see there will be the drain. We haven't taken the paper off yet. We don't want nothing bad to happen to it. We still got to fix the lighting, but this is just in daylight. He used to have a pool in Texas that was a Arizona flagstone. So I told him, you know what, we could probably do something close to that. And this is what we did. And we rebuilt this room pretty much, but we added about 4 inches to the floor and brought it up to match. This is his walkout here, so he used to step down the whole step onto the floor, but now it's just a small step down, and you can see where we put all this in there. It's wet right now because we just sanded it and washed it down, so looking beautiful. He loves it. And then we actually put a automatic cover into the pool because it's an indoor pool. So this is the trench where the automatic cover will go. We tiled all this for the cover to slide across when it comes into its trench. These stones here are extra stones. These will go across the top of the cover. We call that a walk-on cover. And he'll be to walk on those. We'll put brackets into the cement here, and that will support the stones. Cover will be underneath there. The track, we cut it into the wall. Originally this was just tile wall. We cut that silver track, goes all the way down the pool. We cut that, notched it into the wall, installed the track in the wall, put the tile on the whole pool, and then we put the coping over the top of the track. And down there at the end, that's where the cover will end up, and it will land at that track there. And it's pulled by cables. It's an in-ground, automatic, underground pool cover. So it will disappear here, and you won't see it when you swim. And when the pool is not being used, the cover will push a button and come out automatically and slide all the way down the pool to cover it up. And that will keep the humidity and keep the warm temperature that they use the heater to put in. And it will stay in the pool. In the pool, we just got done cleaning it all up and acid washing it. And we're almost done. The cover will be shipped in next week, and we'll put the cover in. And we'll just about be done. We're gonna resurface the spa. And you'll have one beautiful indoor pool room. Here's a look from back here at the room that they'll walk out into soon and have one beautiful room to swim in.